Themed journals are back, offering businesses a unique way to align with clients' lifestyles and goals. Check out our best-selling designs, customizable for your brand. Explore more on our website or in the video description below. Part 1. Planning and Implementation. Want plans to become results? Start with the right layout. Clear, easy to use, start today. Daily Planner Journals. Your day shouldn't live only in your head. This page shows day, week, month with timeline, to-dos, and habits. Open and write. Check it off. So simple. Business and Professional Journals. Meeting notes shouldn't read like a memoir. Track 3 things: action, owner, due date. Open the page, instant momentum for your team. Fitness and Nutrition Journals. Don't battle willpower. Be friends with grids. Weekly meal plan, macros, weight and measurements. Academic/study journals. Study needs a system, not busy work. Index, future log, monthly/weekly layouts with dot grid. What to learn today, what to review tomorrow, sorted. Part 2. Emotions and Mind-Body. Move fast if you like, but keep your feelings on board. A gentler method helps you stick with it. Wellness and Self-Care Journals. Anxiety isn't you. It just has nowhere to go. Sleep, water, mood. Tick 3 small boxes today. Step by step, you'll feel calmer. Inspirational and Motivational Journals. 1 morning affirmation. 2 lines at night. Visible encouragement pulls you back on track. Break goals down. Keep moving tomorrow. Religious Journals. Let your faith be seen and written. Prayer list, scripture notes, 2 ribbons. Page by page, you map your journey. Part 3, creation and documentation. Inspiration will come. Give it a good home. Stories deserve to be kept. Creative sketch and writing journals. Great paper lets you draw and write boldly. Switch dot grid or blank. Collage without bleed through. When ideas spark, land them on the page. Memory and Keepsake journals. Today passes fast but can be revisited. Acid-free paper. Photo slots, storage pocket. Weddings, babies, family. Hold on to the moments that matter. Travel journals, go now, pause to write later. Ticket pocket, tabs, elastic band, and pen loop. Plans and ideas secured. Flip it after the trip, the journey runs again. Part 4. Season and Hobby Limited Themes. Ad ceremony. Hobbies keep you going. Small launches, big conversions. Seasonal and holiday-themed journals. Christmas, New Year, back to school. Every season deserves a page. Countdowns, gift lists. Event calendars. Organized at a glance. Hobby-specific journals. Turn passion into an SOP. Recipes, gardening, music, pets. Ready-to-use flows. Less trial, more joy. You'll get better with every page. These are just a few of our best-selling themed journals, each customizable to reflect your brand's identity. Ready to create a unique collection for your business? Visit our website or get in touch with us. See you in the next one.